Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications. Now, let's get started. King Felipe VI delivered his Christmas speech for 2024, a significant occasion in Spain that not only marks Christmas Eve but also serves as a moment for reflection on pressing social issues. This year, the speech was especially poignant as it addressed the severe impacts of the recent Dana, a weather phenomenon that caused flooding and destruction, in Valencia. The king's remarks highlighted the deep scars left by this disaster, emphasizing the need for collective remembrance and support for those affected. As he spoke, King Felipe VI acknowledged that this was the 10th time he had addressed the nation since his proclamation in 2014, following the abdication of his father, King Juan Carlos. Each year, his Christmas address serves as a barometer of the national sentiment, and this year, he could not overlook the tragic consequences of the Dana. Just days before the speech, he made an unexpected visit to Cattarauja, one of the municipalities hit hardest by the flooding. During his address, he expressed his heartfelt condolences to the families of the victims, stating, "The individuals who lost their lives and those who are missing deserve our utmost respect, and we must never forget the pain and sorrow left in their families." In addition to acknowledging the victims, King Felipe VI sent a clear message to the institutions and governmental bodies, urging them not to forget the region during the recovery process. He stressed the importance of ensuring that medium and long-term support is provided to truly facilitate recovery for the affected areas. This call to action reflects a broader concern for the welfare of those who have suffered and emphasizes the need for sustained efforts to rebuild communities. The king also took a moment to recognize the young volunteers who rushed to help in the aftermath of the disaster. He expressed pride in their willingness to come together in solidarity, stating, "It fills us with pride to see so many young people come forth to offer their best in the streets of the towns affected by the Dana." He urged that the spirit of solidarity demonstrated during these challenging times should persist, encouraging everyone to carry this sense of community into their daily actions and decisions. As 2024 draws to a close, the king highlighted the growing political polarization and lack of understanding that has permeated public discourse in recent times. He called for a return to the spirit of consensus enshrined in the Spanish Constitution, emphasizing that a pact of coexistence is protected through dialogue. This appeal for serenity in public life underscores the need for calm and thoughtful engagement, whether in collective projects or individual family matters. King Felipe VI articulated that working for the common good is essential to preserving the foundational agreements that uphold democracy and protect the rights and freedoms of citizens. He underscored that these principles are vital to Spain's social and democratic state, reminding listeners that fostering unity and collaboration is crucial during these tumultuous times. In closing, the king's Christmas message served not only as a reflection on the past year but also as a hopeful call for resilience, compassion, and a commitment to rebuilding stronger communities. His emphasis on solidarity, remembrance, and the need for ongoing support for those affected by recent tragedies resonates deeply, reminding all Spaniards of the importance of unity in overcoming adversity. This year's address encapsulates the spirit of the holiday season, urging everyone to come together in support of one another as they navigate the challenges ahead. Thanks for watching till the end.